Hello guys. Good evening Baghdad. Good evening Iraq. Now is already 8:30. 8:30 at night. Aray ko. I'm just tomorrow daw no more school. Si Sisi. Oh, I fell asleep na. You see, this one, madam, she received naman. She took this one from outside, I don't know, from French, I don't think so. And they call this one Arisa ba yun? Ano bang nanimdat man? So all the Baghdad here, the Iraq or Arabian people, they know how to do it and how to eat this one, of course, with sugar. When they make that one with sugar. See, you mix that one with sugar. You cut first. And, ano to if I'm not mistaken, this one rice, yata. Yung parang siya, yung talagang lapot talaga siya ta. Oh, yun yata yun kasi yung sa Abu Dhabi when I'm working a housemaid also in Abu Dhabi. In the garden, yun street, I forgot. Si Glenn, she make it how to do it this one. She know how to do it this one. May Filipino companion work there also. Okay, so now I feel hungry. I feel sleepy na. So it means I take some. Make my dinner. So my dinner. Para tong kung sa atin pa to, lugaw. Lugaw na malapot talaga na lugaw. With with laham. Laham yata ang mix nito. Alam mo bang really, I don't eat too much the karof. That one is sheep ba? The karnero. Kasi dito mas marami talaga dito ang karne nila, yung karnero. At saka yung tilapia, kung sa atin pa sa Pilipinas, tilapia yung isdang matabang na sa river, galing sa river. Kaya ito rin, laham to Yun nga yung sa sheep na kaso ang late naman din, makikain na lang din ako. Pero pag ginagawang kasi nasanay lang tayo sa Pilipinas, lalo na sa isla, doon sa amin nasanay sa cow. Pag cow, talagang kumakain ako. Pero pag bihira akong kumakain talaga ng kaya ganun. Iinit ko muna to saglit para siya. Para mainit-init to. Ayan lugaw. Kung sa atin pa lugaw. Ayan. Lugaw. Kaya ganun. Okay. Thank you again for watching. Kasi may ingay na yan pag ko. Pero okay lang naman siguro. Lumalabas-labas lang. Doon lang ako banda. Ayan Shout out to all nationwide, worldwide, doble na talaga yung let's make double na for my greetings to BC. Thank you very much. Ang banana. Everyday talaga banana. I always banana. And tomorrow no school daw, so I keep this one. And again, shout out to all nationwide, worldwide, buong Pilipinas, different countries. shout out to all subscriber of mine. And I wish that you support my small YouTube channel, please. I'm asking nga, please talaga. Finish na. Tama na yun yung hindi masyadong mainit. Okay. And for your patience, as of what I'm telling, to watch my video, to my very simple video that I'm working as a housemaid, as I'm telling housemaid here in the house. Housemaid na, in the house, housemaid. Yeah. Nani. Ito, hindi ko nilagay yan. Kaya ganun. At saka, ayan, lagyan ko muna ng konting asukal. Linis naman yan. Nililinis ko. Hindi masyado kasi ayoko yung matamis. Yung tamang-tama lang na malasahan ko siya. Okay. So, once again, thank you very much to subscribe me to my simple video. And I wish that some of them that they are watching, I wish also that you support to me. You subscribe me, like and share, and I'm very thankful. Now, this December, I got receive more gift to subscribe. To subscribe to the different countries that you are watching in the social media, please. Sabay pang ganun, please talaga, since nagkikiano talaga hihingi ng favor. I'm asking a favor that I receive more gift to subscribe my YouTube channel and the YouTube company. Thank you YouTube company that I belong already to enter my simply channel, my small channel at least that I have already. And thank you again, thank you more. And Merry Christmas to all of us sa buong mundo. Worldwide na nga and nationwide, doble, it's double. Okay, so once again, thank you, and thank you. And keep safe lagi. And thank you for the days that it's already, because some countries it's starting to become early in the morning in the date of August, December, ba ngayon? December 9? Yeah, December 9, and tomorrow, December 10 is the date anniversary of my younger brother nga pala. Thank you, and thank you. And God bless us all. Stay safe, whatever you go and whatever you do. Okay? God bless us all. And bye. Ay, si bye-bye nga pala. Bye-bye. Tingnan mo naman yung buhok ko. Ano bang nangyari na sa buhok ko? Patingin nga. Ganito na talaga. Look my hair. Again, thank you. Bye-bye. Good morning, good afternoon, madaling araw, early in the morning, good night, and etc. More greetings na lang. Bye! Hehe, nahak ko na. Okay, thank you again, and bye-bye!